Okay, so today I'm going to teach you a shorthand on how to learn the brachial plexus. So first off, you want to draw two headless arrows with the headless side pointing to the right. Then you want to draw another headless arrow with the headless side pointing to the left. Now you want to draw a W. Now you want to label the 5 main parts of the brachial plexus. The first of which is the roots. Then you have the trunks. Then you have the divisions. Then you have the cords. And then finally you have the terminal branches. So the roots are C5, C6, C7, C8, and T1. The trunks are the upper, the middle, and the lower. The divisions of the trunks are anterior and posterior. You want to draw an X there and half of an X here. You want to label this top line anterior. The part pointing down is the posterior, and the line running up is the anterior. You want to label this lower line posterior. Then the line pointing up you want to label posterior, and the lower you want to label it anterior. Then the 3 cords are the lateral, the posterior, and the medial. The 5 terminal branches are the musculocutaneous, the radial, the axillary, the medial, and the ulnar. Now we're going to label the rest of the 3 roots. An easy way to remember this is that there's 4 threes. The first one are the roots that contribute to the lateral thoracic nerve. The next 3, and all of the 3s come off of that there's 3 for each headless arrow. So the first has a line here, here, and here. The first nerve is the dorsoscapular, the second is the subscapular, and then the last is the lateral pectoral. On the middle headless arrow, there's going to be 3 nerves, 2 of which are the subscapular, and then the middle is the thoracodorsal. Finally, on the bottom 3, you're going to have the medial pectoral, the medial brachial cutaneous, and the medial antebrachial cutaneous. It's important to note that the brachial cutaneous goes to the brachial or the arm, and then the antebrachial goes to the antebrachial or the forearm. And that's just kind of a shorthand if you trace through where all of the brachial plexus goes.